Hello everybody, it's your boy Darth Vader, and in this video, I've got some phenomenal news for y'all. I have finally restored Darth Vader's castle after 3 years of it being, hidden away. That is because I kept this thing in my closet for who knows how long, because I didn't have space to store it, so. But now I figured it out. I finally now have space for it. At least to keep it out of a fucking closet, but other than that, I really like this set. I love this LEGO set. It's such a cool ass LEGO set in my opinion. But also gonna be Clone Turbo Tank is also making a cameo, because I figured why not. But yeah. I've done a couple different videos about the LEGO Clone Turbo Tank, but I haven't done almost nothing about Darth Vader's castle. It came with this little TIE fighter, little TIE Advanced X1, and you can actually fit it in the garage. There's a little garage at the bottom of this thing, or a hangar. You can just park it right in there. That's pretty nice. That's so cool. I got this set for Christmas in 2019, and I love this freaking thing. Though I don't have Back to Tank Vader here. But, yeah, I still think it's a cool set. It's freaking sweet. But, you've got 3 floors outside of the hangar. You got 2 LEGO clone troopers there. The meditation chamber. I thought I didn't have Back to Tank Vader, because he was in the meditation chamber the whole time. Surprised I didn't even notice that. You've got you got the roof of the castle, which is just about right there. You got a little gun poking out of it, a spring-loaded, stud shooter sticking out of it. I think it's pretty cool. Cool little feature. Not a whole lot to go over in this set, but I still like this LEGO set a lot. Because, well, let's be real, it's Darth Vader's castle. Who wouldn't want something like this? But anyway, yeah, there you go. But other than that, the 2 LEGO clones, I have the 3rd LEGO clone sitting right there on the side there. But I'll show you why in a minute. But 2 LEGO clones in the back, where one is holding a transparent red Tommy gun, the other one's holding the transparent red Chris Vector, which is a submachine gun developed in the 90s. But anyway, the reason why I've got a LEGO clone trooper standing right there is because of this particular reason. You can get in from the side. There's a little notch you can grab to open up that door. It's not really a trap door, but still a pretty cool door, I think. But yeah, there you go. But other than that, there's just a lot of freaking dust on this set. I don't have a problem with that, but, it's just still, kind of upsetting in my opinion. But it is what it is. Besides, I've come to really enjoy this LEGO set. It's a cool set. It's a really sweet LEGO set. Let's be real here. I don't usually post LEGO content that often anymore. I'm trying to do that more often, because my LEGO truck video, the LEGO semi-truck video, my previous video, got a lot of views, got about 140 views. That's pretty damn good. But yeah, here is Darth Vader himself. I'm surprised I didn't show that earlier, but yeah, there you go. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Resident Skywalker. That was my great news on restoring Darth Vader's castle and actually finding space for it. And I'll see you next time. Bye. And remember, life is good. Don't sue me here, Cock 45, because that's what he says.